sweet to you.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Chrissy here. Welcome if you are new. Don't forget to click that subscribe button down below so you can join the squad. So please excuse the background noise. My kids are in there. Okay, I'm trying to get this out the way. Okay, I just had this glow, you know what I'm saying, going on with this brown. Just wanted to keep it very simple, very neutral. And I did use one palette. I did use the 3502 palette. Y'all know this is one of my favorite palettes to use. So your girl created this eye look using that palette. If you guys want to see how I got this complete look, keep on watching.
Hey y'all, once again, so I'm going to go in with this Morphe 3502 palette and take that shade Contour and just pop that right all over the lid, sis. So of course, what you do to one eye, you do to the other. I'm going to go in with this lighter brown type shade, and it's called Dust, out of the same palette. And then I'm going to take this shade Tan and just go over that shade, okay? And then I'm gonna take this shade Universal and just put that, you know, above, on top of the color we put on the lid, and just blend out the edges with the other brushes with the same colors I used previously, if that makes sense. Then I'm gonna go in with this black Radiance black liquid liner, and then yeah, we're just gonna draw our liner on there, get it popping one time, and then I'm gonna take this same color or whatever, same brush that I use to, you know, clean up my brows with, and just, you know, go ahead and fix that liner one time and blend it on out. Next, I'm gonna go in with this black Radiance Bold and Sexy mascara and get these lashes, real lashes, popping, period. Next, I'm gonna go in with this Pastel Lashes in the style Stubborn, and I will leave my code down below, so don't forget to, you know, check the description box. Okay, I didn't show you guys my primer, but I am going in with this Morphe Foundation in 480, and I'm just going to take that and put that on, and I use the Wet n Wild Photo Focus primer that I have used in previous videos. Now I'm just going to make sure I blend that foundation until it's like not wet looking. I'm going to just blend it on now, sis, you know what I'm saying. We done blended it down, and it's pretty much looking like this. I'm gonna go in with the first concealer from Rimmel London, and it's in the shade Chestnut. Then I'm gonna take my Juvia's Place foundation in 12 and just go on top of that, because the Chestnut concealer kind of looked like a foundation for me a little bit. You know, it's like a tad bit brighter, but yeah, y'all get the drift. So I had to brighten it up a little bit more, and yeah, just conceal those highlighted areas. I'm gonna go in with this luxury powder, banana powder from Makeup Revolution, and I did just go ahead and blend it out, you know, and just place that on top. Now you guys, I don't really care too much for this powder, you know, with this foundation per se. Like, this foundation is already kind of like a matte type, you know, and then this powder kind of really dried it out, like it dried my makeup out a little bit. And yeah, it just didn't all, you know, like, some products are good, like these products are good, don't get me wrong, but it's just very hard to work with all of these products together. Well, it was for me anyway. Next, I'm gonna go in with this Morphe Grand Glam palette and just use that shade to like contour, you know, use it as like a contour shade because it just looks good, you know. And I'm gonna just really try to bring my face back to color, because that powder, like I said, it was just hard to work with and blend with these foundations and concealer. Okay, so yeah, you just pretty much gonna see me just blend it on now, sis, to the best of my ability. You guys, as you can see, I'm using these new brushes. They are silver, y'all. These brushes are so cute, and they are so soft, and they're from e.l.f. so they are affordable, okay? And now I'm gonna take this soft focus finishing powder in the color Creamy Bronze from Black Radiance, and we just gonna, you know, bring that face color back on in, because you know your girl need all of that. And then I'm going with this Laura Geller bronzer. I also picked this up when I picked the brushes up, and yeah, I'm just gonna use this brush that came with it, and this is like a body frosting, and it's in the color Tahitian, and it came in like a little set with the gloss, the bronzer, and the what is this, the brush. And then I'm gonna go back in with that palette and this, you know, go ahead and get it popping with that blush. And I'm using the Black Radiance setting spray that I always use, and then I'm just gonna pat it in, you know, and then we're gonna get it highlighting. We're gonna go in with this Amina out of this Juvia's Place Warrior palette, and just pop it in the inner corners, and then go back in with this same palette and take the shade Benin and just highlight all the areas that we always highlight, or that I always highlight. That's what the highlight gonna be looking like. Y'all know I'm very extra with it. And then I'm gonna go in with this Gingerbread lip liner from Ruby Kisses. Y'all, I love their lip liners. Like, they're just so perfect sis, okay? And then I'm gonna go in with this Maybelline lipstick in the shade Totally Toffee, you guys. And then I'm gonna top it off with a gloss from that set, which is from the Laura Geller set, and it's in the shade Nude Kisses. I didn't like the way all of that combo was looking, so I brought like a peachy type tone to it, and I used a Dose of Colors Catching Feelings Mini Matte Lippy. And then, yo, that's pretty much how this look is looking.
So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a big old thumbs up if you did. Comment your thoughts down below. Subscribe to my channel if you are new. It will help me out so much. And yeah, just join the squad, you know what I'm saying? Don't forget to follow me on all my social networks. I will list them down below in the description box as always for you guys, and maybe on the screen too. So yeah, that's pretty much it, you know. Let me know what you think about this look down below, and I'll see you guys in the next video.